Look at this clip. In build-up, the back five are stretched across the pitch and there are two holding mid in center with goalkeeper having the ball. 8 Celta players are involved in build-up. In response, opponents are pressing high with equal numbers. Now see, it is 2v2 situation here and a large space for any player to receive the second ball from the center forward. Ball goes wide and fullback attempt long ball to center forward who holds the ball effectively and pass it to teammates. But why the other Celta players are sitting back if they are going to attempt the long ball? Why their positioning is unlike the normal goal kick? Why they are creating large space ahead by withdrawing opponent in build-up? This is what Celta Vigo is doing in La Liga this season. Celta Vigo are currently 7th in La Liga. After 2016, this season, they are fighting for the place in European competition. So let's see what tactical principles they are using to be in the spotlight. Celta are using 3-4-3 formation. Celta are 5th in terms of ball possession with an average of 53%. So let's see how they build up with the ball. In build up, Celta use more and more players to stretch out opponent pressing. Celta involve 8 players in build up to progress the ball easily. If opponent do not press high, then Celta can easily move the ball around. But in most cases, opponents try to stop the build-up play by pressing high up the pitch. Here, the centre backs and 2 holding mid have fixed roles and 2 forwards stays at half line to receive any long ball. This shape has a conditional advantage. If the centre forward is good in aerial duels, then the team can use this space to receive the second ball and can continue the attack from here. To properly execute this move, one of the 2 wing backs moves ahead to support in attack. If the ball is on left side, then the right wing back moves ahead to receive any second ball or any long switch from midfielder. The same rotation also happen when ball is on the right flank. This build-up have 2 advantages. First, with good center forward who can win these duels, you can attack more effectively because there are well less players to defend. And second, there is no risk in these moves. If team loses the ball, then they can cover the space and reform their shape. While if the team loses the ball around the box, then it can be a great chance for opponents to score. For example, in this clip, Celta have too much players in build-up and opponents are pressing high. Ball goes to left wing back. Now, there is a big space for center forward to drop and receive the ball. Fullback long pass to center forward who lay off it to Moriba, and in this time, right wing back is making the run on flank to receive a long pass. Again in this clip, Celta with the same approach of more players in build-up and Barca is pressing them high. Ball goes out wide and forwards are dropping to receive the ball. It is very clear that the build-up and attack of Celta depend upon the ability of center forward, and this is where Iglesias' role comes into play. Iglesias is too good in dropping to receive the ball and in winning the duels from long balls. For example, in this clip, wing back have the ball and Iglesias is dropping to receive the ball. He passed the ball to Beltran and Beltran passed it to Gonzalez, which led to a great chance. Again here, Barca is pressing high and there is space behind Pedri. Iglesias receive a long ball and pass it to Moriba, and Celta is in a great attacking position, but a loose pass from Moriba ruins it all. Progressing into the mid block, there Safe have numerous advantages. In mid block, with 2 wing backs moving ahead, they can easily outnumber the opponent defense line. In this 4v5 scenario for opponents, they have 2 options. First, the defense line become narrow to stop the play from the center, which is the most favorable case. But this will give space to Celta wing backs to receive long ball behind the defense line. Celta with 3 to 5 shape can easily move the ball around, and when opponent shift to one side, then Celta change the flank to break the opponent defense. For example, in this clip, Celta easily moving the ball around. Both wing backs are wide to stretch the defense line, and Gonzalez and Duran are inside to receive the ball in between the lines. When the ball goes to wing backs in these positions, Gonzalez and Duran run in the half space to break the defense line. This move by forwards is very effective as they can enter the box or can deliver a good cross for Iglesias. Apart from this, center mid, wing back and forward can also combine on the flank to make an attacking move. In this clip, wing back passes to Moriba and Moriba carries it to switch the position with Duran. In this time, wing back is in half space, attacking into the box, replacing Duran. This was all about Celta's attacking. Now let's see how they defend. Celta's pressing depend on the opponents. Celta press high against mid-table, low-table teams, while against big teams like Barca, Madrid, they sit in mid-block with a backline of 5 defenders. Celta's defenders are very aggressive in pressing. If opponent forward tries to receive the ball in between the lines, then they instantly press him. This reflects their man-marking approach in defending. For example, in this clip, Barca is rotating the ball and Fermin drops to receive the ball, but Celta defender keep pressing him by breaking the defense line. In next moment, Rafinha is also followed by wingback, and with this clear man-marking approach, Celta win the possession. Again in this clip, opponent wingback have the ball and the center forward is dropping, but Celta defender is tracing him all the way to close the space for him, and Celta broke the move. By this high pressing, Celta win the ball in mid-block and they counter-attack in presence of Iglesias. Celta wingbacks press high and win the ball in opponent half, which lead to a half chance. Again in this clip, right wingback win the ball, pass it to Gonzalez, who link up with Iglesias to score. So these are the key points where Celta Vigo is performing so well. And what do you think about it? Comment below. Leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for the watching.